You okay? Lay down, lay down, lay down.
Oh,
lay down, lay down.
You alright, bro?
Lay down. Take his helmet off.
I'm alright.
Your back bent backwards.
Can you straighten your legs out?
yeah.
Hold on. That's cool. That's one. There you go. Shit.
Anything hurt? Besides that,
Just a little sore in my knee.
Ego worse than anything else?
at least he got away from the bike.
We're all doctors, don't worry.
Give him 50 cc's of adrenaline, stat. Yeah, right, Robert? I got enough adrenaline.
Your back, anything hurt down low?
You see my back's alright.
How's your pelvis?
No
problems there?
No.
Your penis attached?
Balls are intact.
See if you can straighten your legs.
Hey, Dwayne, did you get that? That's two. That's two for the day.
Definitely on the video. That's my bike.
Just a brake lever,
You
man.
can't have no more of my TL parts, bro. TL's take a licking.
You took one for the team.
Hell yeah.
That'll buff off. Windshield and a brake lever.
You ready to come up
Stay
yet?
out here, you're gonna fucking wreck.
Yeah, Robert, hey, upper and a brake lever.
Next! Hey, send it forward like this.
The bike's alright.
Oh, sorry, bro.